everybody, today I'm going to do some waterfall tabs in my journal, and I've chosen these 4 washi tapes which I got from Temu in a set. So let's begin. I'll turn my journal this way. I'm going to use this one first. What I've done, I've counted out 10 dots along, and that's where I'm going to place my first washi tape. So lay it down here like that and trim the ends off. Right, and now I'm going to get my big scissors. It's a lot easier to use big scissors because you're not doing as many cuts. Let's make sure I've only got 1 page. Yep. And I'm going to cut along here. And that's the first one done. Easy as that. So now I'm going to turn it over, get my clip, and clip that down. Let me just see which one it was. It was this one. Now I'm going to lay washi on this side here. Just like that. Trim that end. And trim that end. Just make that a little bit neater. And there's my first waterfall tab. So now the next one, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to turn it this way again. And then I'm going to press this down so I can see where to put the next washi tape. Which I think it's there. Yes, that's perfect. Just straighten that edge a bit. And then we'll trim off here. And then we'll trim off that here. And then that's going to be another one. Trim along this edge. Now turn it over and place washi on this side. And then trim the end off. And the end off there. let's have a look at them too. Lovely. Right, I've used that one, so let's move that one out of the way. I've used that one. Right, I'm going to use this one next. So we turn it round. What I'm going to do is get my clip and just clip here. And then I'm going to place the washi along there. Ooh. It needs to go back a bit because look, there's a gap. So I'll just lightly press it down. Check that covers it, and it does. So now I can push. Clip that back. Trim that edge off. And then trim this edge off. Get my scissors again. And trim along here. Lovely. So there you've got 1, 2, 3 tabs, and I'm going to place the next washi along there. Get my clip. Now we're going to use the last one along here. Trim that there. Trim that there. Right, I didn't do the back side of this one, did I? So let's find that one again. What we'll do is turn that over. Clip that down a minute. I'm going to place washi along the edge of this page. Make sure it gets right to the edge. Like that. Trim that off. And that's the waterfall tabs done. 1, 2, 3. And I don't need to cut anything off that because that's your back page. So there's 4 waterfall tabs. Now I'm going to decorate the rest of my journal. Right, I'm back. I've finished decorating the spread. I'll show you what I used. I used this sticker book. It's from Temu and it's called Breezy Holiday. I was going to use this picnic time one, but this one, I liked all the colours in this one better, so I used this one. I also used these two Tombow brush pens in 192 and 772, and I used this corner punch to corner the edges of the tabs, which I think has made them look a lot nicer. So we'll have a little flip through and so you can see what I've done. So I've put some stickers and I've hand drawn the lines. So then there's this page, this page, this page, and that's all finished. So thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.